Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss how to fix a many-to-many relationship in Power BI using DAX. In my previous video, I fixed this many-to-many relationship issue in Power BI using Power Query. If you want to check that video, you will find the link in the description box. But I will recommend you to use a DAX technique for better performance. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the movie award table and you can see the movie title, award type and award win count. The another table I have is a movie earnings. You can see the movie title, movie language and the earning in millions in US dollar. Now let me go to the report page and from Power BI Visual Gallery I will add a two table and I will decrease the width of the table and increase the height. And from the award table, I will add a movie title, then award type and award win count. So here you can see the movie title, award type and sum of award win count. Now I will add another table and I will bring it here. And in this table, from the movie earnings, I will add a movie title, movie language and sum of earning. And I will little bit increase the height. Now we'll analyze the table. In this table you can see the Brave Journey Korean movie is not available in the award table. Okay, so maybe this movie did not get any award, but there is earning 180 millions dollar. Now what I want actually, I want a movie title, sum of award count, and then sum of earning in one table, not like this. So I will add another table and I will add another table, and before that I will show you the relationship between these two tables. So between these two tables is the many to many relationship between movie award to movie earning on the movie title, because this movie title is common in both the tables. Now in the third table, what I am going to do, I will add movie title, then I will add a sum of award count, and then I will add earnings, sum of earnings. So if I'll increase this, and if you total this, you will not get this. So this total count is completely incorrect. So this is the ambiguity issue, and due to many relationship, and the many to many relationship also cause the performance issue. So we try to eliminate this. Now I will go to the data view, and in the data view I will click on the new table. I want to add a new table, and my table name is the movie underscore movies. In the next line, just I will use a summarize column function, and here I will say movie award, then movie title, and I will close the bracket. Here you will see the movie title from the single column movie title from the award table. But in the movie earning, there is a additional movie is also there. So I will append the movie title from the movie earning from here in this table. So what I am going to do, I will just hit the enter button, and here I will use a union function, and now I'll say summarize and then comma. I'll come to the next line, and again I will say summarize column, and here I will use a movie earning table and movie title column. Now I'll come down and I will close the union bracket. So now you will see the movie title from the movie award table and the movie title from the movie earning table is appended here, one after another. But here the problem is, like, golden dream. You can see the golden dream two times. You can see the rising star. There is a rising star. I think rising star is also duplicate. Or silent river. You can see the silent river here and silent river here. They see the rising star is here and rising star here is here also. So we'll try to eliminate the duplicates. So I'll go to the same table, and here what I'm going to do, I will add a new line, and here I will use a distinct bracket open, and here I will close the bracket, and let me align it properly. Then summarize will come, and then union bracket close and distinct bracket close. So what I'm going to do, I'm only taking the movie title from the movie award table, and after that I am taking the movie title from the movie earnings table. Okay, and I am combining both using a union, and whatever the duplicate movie is there, I am removing through a distinct. Okay, distinct written a single column. Now we'll accept this measures or accept this DAX code. Now I will come here, and now I will go to the relationship tab, and I will delete this, actually this relationship many to many. Now I'll bring this two table down and my dimension table on top. Now I'll create a relationship between dim movie to movie earnings on movie title. This is one to many relationship, single direction. Now you can see the relationship is created. Now same thing I will do with the movie award. Save. So relationship between dim movie and movie award is created, and relationship between dim movie and the movie earning is created, one to many, one to many. Now I'll go back to report page, and here you can see some different picture. So what I'm going to do, I'll select this table, and from the data model I will remove the movie title, and now I'll bring the movie title from the dim movies. Now here you can see the Brave Journey. Brave Journey do not have any award, so it is blank, but you can see 180 millions dollar. Here is the 180 millions dollar. Now if you total this, the total this 2305 is correct, as you can see here, 235. And if you total this, it is absolutely correct. There is no ambiguity. So in this way, you can fix many to many relationship in Power BI using a DAX. But I will always suggest to create this dimension table in backend, like SQL Server or any backend database. And if you have Excel spreadsheet, you can, or SharePoint, anything, if you can bring from there, it will be always give a better performance instead of using a DAX or the Power Query. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.